So hi guys, good afternoon, because I'm recording this in the afternoon, or good morning, good evening, depending on the time you're gonna watch this video. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Weirdo. For those who are new here, for returning subscribers, you guys, I love you guys so much. So it's in the afternoon, but I was just preparing to cook dinner, and I thought, why not make a vlog out of it? Yeah, so I'm going to be making chapati. Okay, chapati as a comrade. Okay, as a comrade, I'm going to be making chapati and lentils. Are they lentils? Green grams. Yeah, my hand is tired. So I want you guys to tag along, and if you enjoy this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. So I'll see you when I start cooking, but I have the ingredients, so let me just take a sneak peek of that. So enjoy. Of course, here are my ingredients. Nothing much. I'm just making plain chapati. So that's my flour, rolling pin, sorry, to cook the lentils. Okay, then my cooking oil. Anything else, come on, spices, you're gonna see them. Let me just bring them. Only I think I have two. So that's me again with the spices. I have turmeric. This is mixed spices, and then of course, without forgetting the famous Royco. So let's get busy, because right now it's in the afternoon, but of course I'm cooking in the evening, so I need to prep the dough. Okay, namkumbuke my comrade. Okay, and also there's no way I'm going to cook with cooking gas here. No, so I bought, I wish I showed you. How do you even open this? I don't know. Oh, sorry. So I bought this Mungu Baba charcoal. Okay, so we are gonna prep the jiko. That's jiko, but of course I need a jiko. Meanwhile, as my water boils, as my water warms, because I need warm water, not boiled water. Didn't show you guys that I have a surprise. Salt shaker. It's so cute. I love it. I love the beach face, resting beach face. Yeah, you see, I posted it on my WhatsApp and people are like, yo, that's scary. I'm like, guys, you don't see how cute this thing is. Look, she's so cute, right? Of course she's cute. And also, I just thought of just clarifying, please don't think this thing is still here. There's nothing. There's water, just like half quarter water, for it to hold my earrings holder. Can you imagine? Look at another weird thing. See? So as I was saying, this is an earrings holder. I know it looks like, so I needed it to hang somewhere, and I was out of my hangers. You see, this one has, I put my kitchen tiles here, so you see it's burnt. Don't mind it, but it's beautiful. I don't have an extra this thingy to hang my earrings holder, so I had to improvise. my box here, so I hang it there. Yeah, and then it stays close to its friend. See? Yeah, my weird collection. That one, salt shaker, cute earrings holder. So to start with, this is just something I bought I think it's just hand knitted. You can't even tell what it is, but it's cute. It's cute. I love it. Yeah, just go to the market. Small cute things. That's just me. Okay, that's one. So here is just a pouch where I put my IDs and cards. That's just a pouch. Okay, it's so cute. Very, very cute. Very cute. Okay, so let me just put them back and I'll wonder the whole picture. That's the whole weird collection. This is an earrings holder. I'm sure that one I've said. It looks like this, like that. See? Like that. So when it hangs, it looks like that. See? Yeah, so here I might just many earrings, you see? So just earrings in there and you close it like that. Okay? Yeah, so it looks like that. Moving on, there's this big rabbit. This is Mr. Rabbit. That's Rabbit. That's Rabbit right there. Then there's this unicorn of which I've mentioned. Then there is this salt shaker. That's so pretty. Then there is this one. It looks like a rabbit, right? This is a rabbit. Yeah, just a chill one. Chill vibes. Hana maneno hata hajafungua macho. Anakuwaga amelala kila wakati. Yeah. Then there's my purple smiley, who is so cute. Who actually, you see her. Actually, you can open her hand. She looks like that. You see, those are short legs, long hands. So you can just kushikanisha the hands here and here, right? You just like that, and then she stays like that. She's just happy. She smiles. Yeah. So that's all. That's everything in my collection, and I'm hoping to add
because it just makes me happy. I'm just a mother to all these things. I'm a mother. I feed each one of them every night. Yeah? Thanks.
Bye. So you guys see how I have a collection of cute things. John is my baby. He sleeps with me at night. Hi. Say hi. Say sit down. Okay. Let me fix your clothes. Nice. So say hi. Hello. Hello, Akili. Yeah. That's my baby. My biggest baby. And the rest are just small ones. So anyway, let's get to the cooking part. My hands are clean. My flour, I only took half of that, and 1 cup of water, and it's salted water since I don't take sugar. So let's get busy. So my dough is ready. So cute. Okay, not cute, but it looks nice. I've outdone myself. So I think I'm gonna let it sit for about 2 hours. Since I need kitu 4:20, I'm gonna start cooking at around 5:20. Yeah, not 6 p.m. So just gonna put some serviettes here, or my clean kitchen towel. So that's it. I'm gonna put my clean kitchen towel there and let it sit. See you around. No, I think I'm gonna go work on the jiko now. Whew, that was hard, but yeah.
A few moments later.
And I am here, and my nani imeiva poa because nimeiweka for long, so it's really nice. Okay, my oil, my flour, ready to go. And guys, I can make a good circle. Do you see? I can really make a nice circle. I didn't know this unga is this good. Dovo. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. So after a few minutes, I was done with the chapatis. Chapatis. So I was cooking my stew. Yeah, and I was tired at this time. It was around 7:30, 40. I was tired. But yeah, that was me with my stew. Then the green grams. I told you guys it's a cornbread supper. It's nothing big. It's cornbread life. Anyway, yeah. So that was it. Nothing much. Yeah. Thank you. I can say at last I am done with everything, and it's 7:40 p.m. That's why you can see I'm using extra lighting because it's late and I need to clean up. My house is messy. I need to clean up, then freshen up, and then come to it. So stay tuned for that. But if maisha si ya comrade, I'm never cooking again. In fact, like as a comrade, I cook chapati. When I go in my home, I'll cook. But now, anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the cooking. So let me just clean up and then freshen up and then dine. Whether I'm a YouTuber, so usishangae. I was cooking for my people, for my family. No, but if in a few years I'll be earning.
The next the next morning.
So hello my people. How you guys are doing? Amazing. I want to do a second intro. I've just had a really boring, not so good Sunday. I really have to get a routine for Sundays. I really have to get back to church. I should be in they say there is an error for in my Bible and bag error. Huh? Did you hear that? Did you get that? Take a notebook and write that down. In my Bible and bag error. I really wish I had something to do on Sundays rather than just sit, do assignments, because school is training me. I'm so mentally tired. I am tired. I swear to God, I am tired. Mostly today, I really feel tired. So, from the vlog, of course, you've seen yesterday night, I cooked chapati and green grams. Very much comedy. I don't wonder why I didn't even put some greens there, but I had greens for lunch, so I didn't feel like I really needed tena kukula greens for dinner. So that's why I did that. But anyway, my cooking was successful, but something awful really happened in the middle. No, after cooking, in the middle of me cook. What am I saying? In the middle of finishing cooking and going to sleep, there in between it was just like a roller coaster. Because tell me why I got slapped yesterday by a stranger. Like really like it was in a very confrontational manner. That was so uncalled for. Maybe I'll give you guys a story time, but it didn't go so well. So I finished cooking anyway, gave some to my neighbors, Didn't even have my dinner in peace. I didn't even eat in peace. I had no peace at all. I just experienced something something hard, something so harsh, something very, very hard. But anyway, out of that, I'm really trying not to put my mind on that so much. You shouldn't even like be dwelling on the negatives and the challenges that life throws at you. Kidogo, you have to be positive, because otherwise you can lose it. You can lose it literally. Like me today, I've been just the war is not warring. But anyway, I'm just here to close off. I don't know whether maybe tomorrow I'll pick up, or I'm gonna close it here. But if I do close it here, mjue to guys, I really, really, really love and appreciate each one of you. Each one, cause I'm returning subscribe that come here and watch me every time I post my boring vlogs. Okay, interesting, because anyway, out of that, I really appreciate you guys and I love you. And this year it's me. This year it's Bible tunarudi. I really want to get at least a routine for Sunday. I really will make a vlog like come to church with me or something. I'll invest in that. Yeah, so keep watching, keep tuned, stay tuned. I think I'll see you in the course of the week. Okay, thanks for your support. I love you guys, and I'm gonna keep going. I have no option, but I love you. Have yourself a nice evening, morning, afternoon, a good day. I love you guys. Bye. Msisahau kusubscribe, sawa? Subscribe, support me by subscribing. I really appreciate it. This year we are gonna hit some goals. Yeah. So, let me just get back to doing my assignments. At least I want to do this week.